Hello, welcome to the non-bank. The non-bank is a specialist finance aggregator with access to the largest network of non-bank lenders in Australia, including market leaders in the non-conforming space. Non-conforming means that the lending scenario does not conform with the bank's typical lending criteria. This means that we can often fund scenarios where no one else in the marketplace can. Our partners and system developers have been recognised by the industry with multiple awards and accolades, including twice winner of the Australian Mortgage Awards Broker of the Year in the non-conforming category and four-time finalist in the same category. We predominantly operate through intermediaries like mortgage brokers, mobile lenders, accountants, financial planners, real estate agents, developers, builders, etc. There's a huge market out there of potential borrowers who cannot get financing from the traditional sources. The systems and technologies, contacts, funders, relationships, and intellectual property have been developed and enhanced over 10 years in the industry. People will always need money regardless of the economic climate. Our competitive advantage, we have residential financing solutions, full doc and low doc, up to 95% loan value ratio, commercial finance with all types of commercial security considered, full, low and no doc options up to 80% loan value ratio, rural finance including working farms in New South Wales, Queensland, Victoria, South Australia, up to 75% loan to value ratio, development financing up to 85% of the end value. We do second mortgages, instant caveat financing. Some of the features include, in some of our private funding, no valuations up to 70% borrowings, self-declared income. We even deal with people with severe credit issues, mortgage arrears, people who need unlimited cash out from their loan, and loans, large ones, over $10 million plus. Obviously not these features are available on every loan. Our saying is that if we can't do it, it simply can't be done. Let's have a look at our target market. The self-employed and small business sector is a huge marketplace for non-conforming scenarios, some whose very survival depends on obtaining funding. And accountants are a great source of leads and opportunities to target this sector. Mortgage brokers and mobile lenders regularly encounter non-conforming scenarios, and many do not have suitable funders in their approved lender panel. And did you also know that there's a large market of people who just don't even apply for a loan because they believe or know that they'll be rejected anyway, like credit impairment issues, for example. We can also compete directly with the banks in the conforming area with highly competitive bank-beating rates, including from the 2011 MFAA Mortgage Manager of the Year. We have funding sources for the very lucrative 10 million plus marketplace, allowing us to target new developments, hotels, motels, service stations, factories and commercial buildings. If we were to diagramize our business model, it would look like this, where we have intermediaries orbiting around our business, constantly bumping into opportunities and referring them over to us. The technology that drives and fuels our business, we use cutting-edge technology to offer 24-hour, 7-day online access for instant results for all types of scenarios. The technology scans through the entire range of funders to identify which, if any, would give consideration to an application under the outlined scenario. It offers detailed information of the funder's parameters and prerequisites and invites further inquiries. All inquiries are promptly followed up, and if appropriate, an online application would ensure. We will train you on how to package a loan for the funders. It's not that difficult, but there's a technique to it which we'll train. We look forward to you test driving this software and seeing the results for yourself from various difficult scenarios that you can concoct. Our affiliate tracking system also allows us to identify where every inquiry has come from to track and manage commissions and any referral arrangements. There's constant refinement and evolution with the technology to maintain its position as the market leader. So there's our theme: instant results, 24 hours, 7 days per week, and our intermediaries will get access to this to be able to plug in and look at instant results. Commissions and fees, typically in this space, 1% of the loan amount is the normal success fee mandate achieved in most scenarios. You'd receive 80% of these fees that you generate, which is more than twice of what a normal mortgage broker earns from standard bank home loans. You could offer referral fees to existing mortgage brokers and mobile lenders and gain constant access to clients. There are agents, who specialise in things like pubs and motels, caravan parks. It's in the Sydney papers all the time. You would love to tap into these funding sources without us having to pay any referral fees whatsoever. Imagine funding, say, a $5 million pub at 1% fee. That's a $50,000 fee. In the commercial world, $5 million, that's not regarded as a very large loan. In fact, most of our jumbo loans, where we refinance several properties for a client at the same time, often our loans are in the millions, often. We'd like to discuss with you joining us and becoming one of our exclusive licensees. Give Gerald a call or an email, gerald@nwl.com.au, and there's his phone number. And let's start a dialogue and share some information and see how we can make this work. Have a great day. Bye-bye.